everyone, how are you doing today? My name is Joshua Ethan and I'm with the Student Herald. Today we have with us Joy Stephen, who's a registered Canadian immigration consultant. He's going to be talking to you guys about immigration and giving you guys tons of news. What day is it? Saturday, November 25th. We're at the Kitchener Public Library and it's 2 p.m. and I hope you guys are pumped to learn about immigration. Here's Joy Stephen.
Okay, now we are going to talk about New Delhi. Okay, New Delhi is a very hot, one of the top visa posts for Canada for processing study applications or student visas to Canada. In New Delhi, we'll talk about the trends, success rates and stuff. In New Delhi 2015, they received 10,978 applications. 7,543 applications were approved. 3,186 applications were rejected. The success rate was 70% in New Delhi in 2015. Now, when you compare it to the global success rate average is 71%. So New Delhi is a little lower than the global, but almost on same, 70%, 71%. The difference is not that much. Now, in 2016, wow. They processed 27,191 applications. That is a 100% increase from 10,900. 2016 was 27,191 applications. 17,839 applications were approved. 8,343 applications were rejected. The success rate for 2016 was 68%. The global average success rate was 69%. So it is exactly the same, 1% less, but we can say it's pretty much the same. 2017, that is this year, until July, okay, they had received 22,982 applications. So this year again is going to be very high if you look at the trajectory of the applications received until the year end. Out of which 7,957 applications were approved, 7,531 applications were rejected. The success rate is only 51%. When you compare it this year with the global average of 70%, New Delhi is going down dramatically. This year there's only a 51% success rate for study permit applications because the quality of applicants does not seem to match the actual the actual need or the study permit requirements for that country. So we got to be a little careful there. Now, when it comes to the number of applications, we have seen every year in New Delhi applications going upwards, jumping. Just between 2015 and 2016, applications have more than doubled. Okay, so number of applications is jumping, but when it comes to success rate of applications, it is decreasing. Okay, so care has to be taken in New Delhi, and when you apply, you must have good IELTS scores, you must select the right course, or else you have a chance or likelihood of being rejected. And when you compare 51% for this year to the global average of 70% success rate, New Delhi seems to have gone down dramatically. So New Delhi, you got to be careful. People applying in New Delhi must be a little careful.